Hola, hola a todos, ¿cómo están? Okay, so congratulations, you finished your first week in Spanish 1. The activities that we did last week, they were just for you to get started with Spanish. So they are worth like 1 point, but anyways, if you haven't done them, please do them ASAP so that I can count your participation. So we're gonna look at a like an introduction for the week kind of thing, the things that we now have to do. So last week was just for you to get started with like some Spanish, and then get started with voice thread, and now we will actually dive into more Spanish grammar and more proper instruction. So here is your book, Contraseña. If you haven't got the book, please get it as soon as possible, because a lot of the material that all the material that you will be learning comes from the book. So please get it as soon as possible. So we're gonna go to Unidad 1, ¿Quién soy? And if you are already familiar with the book, if you did the getting started activities, then you should be pretty much set to go. Just remember that all the activities are due Sunday. They are due Sunday before midnight. And so if you haven't done them, please go ahead and start doing them. These ones were due yesterday before midnight. And I'll accept late work, but try to get it on time so that you are not rushing at the last minute. All the homework will be done Sunday by midnight, but try to do it try to start working on it during the week so that Sunday you're not rushing at 11:30 trying to get as much done as possible, because you will not be able to. And then, as you can see, you have a lot of homework each week. Some of them are just like practice or like things that you have to read, but still it's a lot of homework. So try to get it done during the week, and also that way you review and do the activities on voice thread on time. Okay, so if you haven't done so already, please go ahead and register for the Lingua meeting. A lot of you already did, so 15 of you already did. I still have some that haven't signed up. And then remember to choose a date for your first session, and then for the following weeks. So you have one session a week, 30 minutes. So try to do that as soon as you can, so that way you have plenty of spaces to choose from. And then so that's the book. Just remember to do the homework, sign up for Lingua meeting, and then here's the book. So you have the Lingua meeting activities. Try to complete them. You can complete this anytime, but try to complete them as soon as, I don't know, before your meeting with the coach. Okay, so that way you are not caught up with, I don't know, surprise about the vocabulary that they're using or the questions that they're asking you. So go ahead and try to do the activities before you go to the session. Okay, so I think that's it from Lingua meeting. So here you can see your grade book, how you're doing. If you've done, you have unlimited tries on all the activities. So take advantage of that, and if you keep just getting them wrong, please let me know, and that way I can help you. Okay, so now let's go to Canvas. So I'm gonna be uploading, putting a link for Zoom for our office hours. So they will be Tuesdays and Thursdays from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. Mountain time. So if you're in another state, try to calculate the time. And then if you cannot make it to these hours, I'm always happy to meet outside of those hours. So just email me and make an appointment with me, and that way we can meet with each other. And then one last thing, another service that I'm gonna use, that you're actually gonna watch this video on that service, it's Play Pause It. So just go ahead and follow the link on the announcement so you can join the class and your actual participation counts in. So here I have the class, and then I see how many people responded to the activities because they have questions within the video. So go ahead and do that. And then, so I have a few of you that are already signed up for it, but I need the 19 of you to sign up for it. And then what else? So I think that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. Oh yeah, the GroupMe. So there is a GroupMe here that I created this weekend so that you, if you have any questions, you can ask me directly through GroupMe. You don't have to send me an email, or you can ask your partners, your group members, and stuff like that. So go ahead and scan the QR and join the GroupMe. Other than that, I don't think there are any other things. I'm already starting to add the voice threads. For this week, we will have 3 and then 1 for lingua meeting, so that you guys can do the activities, or at least review the activities before your coaching session, except for those that had it today. So other than that, I'll see you in class. Adios!